In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn one of these garbage 16-ounce energy drink cans into one of these miniature planters for starting seeds, or you could probably just use it as a pencil holder if you needed to. So the first step you're going to have to do, if you want to use this for plants, is you're going to have to drill some drainage holes. And you can use any size drill bit, but do one in the middle, and then a couple on the sides. Oops, drilled to the side a little bit, that's okay. Alright, that's good. I had to swap out the can because I broke the old one, but it's the same. It has drainage holes. It's an energy drink can. But your next step is going to be to take a can opener and remove the top of the can, like this. And you might have to use your pliers to get it off at the end, but it just comes off like that. So now that you have the top off, your next step is going to be to cut with the knife a little slit right under the Monster logo. So I'll do that. Just like that. And then you're going to cut all the way around with the scissors. And this can be kind of hard, but you get the hang of it. So your next step, now that you're done with that, is you're going to take your pliers and your bottom half of the can and grip the can and twist in one direction every inch or so. And just do that all the way around the can. Just like that. And this is what allows the bottom part of the can to slide into the top part. And when you're done, it should look like that from the top view. And so, now you can do the last step, which is sliding the top piece onto the bottom. Which is kind of difficult. And you might not get it on your first try, but if it doesn't go on, you can just twist it some extra. And boom, just like that, you can slide it all the way down. Oh, not that far. But, and then boom, you're done. I took all of my little can pots and I put baby Chinese money plants in them. And maybe in the future I'll make an update video on how they're doing in these pots. But yes, so thank you for watching. If you've made it this far into the video, please subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And like and comment, because I would really like to know your feedback on this video.